At Khushi Capella in Pahala, Bhubaneswar, progress continues with precision and momentum. At the clubhouse, second floor, post-tensioning work is currently in progress. Work is ongoing at the swimming pool floor area. At the MLCP B1 level, major slab casting milestones have been achieved. Casting has also commenced for the MLCP B1 extended slab, expanding structural progress. At Tower 2, the 13th floor roof slab has been completed and the 14th floor work is currently in progress. Block work is moving forward at the 5th floor of Tower 2. Curing compound application is underway at the 3rd floor, ensuring durability and long-term strength. In Tower 1, 18th floor roof completed. 19th floor work in progress. With multiple activities advancing simultaneously, Khushi Capella is rising steadily, floor by floor. Committed to quality, safety, and timely delivery, we continue building your future home.